bit of fun for this video, kind of interesting. As I'm going through this, I want you to take a bit of a guess. Comment below, take a bit of a guess at how much money you think this product makes on Amazon. Now, lots and lots of people say that Amazon is very competitive, very saturated, and it is, but most of the time you're going to discover that the competition just isn't very good. So with that being said, let me show you the product. As soon as you've got a figure in your head, comment below. Let's do it. Let's just have a quick look at this while we're all looking. Hydro Tools by Swimline, Frog Log, animal saving escape ramp for pools and spas. So this is a thing that we've actually just purchased for our pool, but for our dogs, which is a little ramp, because if a dog gets in a pool and there's no way for them to get out, then they drown, which is crazy. So this is for frogs, although I'm surprised that frogs would drown, but still, that's what it is. And very creative listing here, because what they have used is just the same image over and over again. So 6 images, all exactly the same. And then the video, maybe the video is better. Oh yeah, so there's the high quality video, okay? Can we agree that's a pretty average listing? Not much going on with this particular listing. So about this item: critter saving device, safety first, easy setup, pool maintenance, saves time and money. How does that save time and money? Anyway. And then some A+ content with the obligatory attractive young lady in a bikini. Of course, you would, if she was in your pool, you would do everything you could to get her out of your pool as quickly as possible and to make sure this lovely young lady didn't drown, where you would need to resuscitate her, I assume, through mouth to mouth. Anyway, so pretty crap listing, don't you reckon? So then the question becomes, oh, let's just have a look at some of the reviews. Lots of ratings, lots of reviews. Let's go down to our reviews. Let's just have a look at the 2-star ratings. Okay. Amazing purchase, discolored and sinking after 2 months. So pretty mixed bag in terms of reviews. What about if we look for some 5-star reviews? So they've got a, oh, look at that. There's a, could it be any better? They have a lovely one of a duck saving its family. Okay. So question: how many sales a day is this product making? What do you reckon? What would be your guess? How many sales a day is this product making? So we're going to scroll down to best sellers rank. And this is number 2044 in the top level category, which is patio, lawn and garden. So let's just find patio, lawn and garden. Patio, lawn and garden. 2044. Click on go. So this is making on average 40 sales per day. 40 sales per day. As near as, damn it, $1,000 US a day. Not bad. 360,000 a year. Not bad. From arguably a very, very poor quality listing. What can we learn about this? What is the hidden lesson in this? Crap listings still sell. Like if the product is a product that solves a problem, it still sells. People buy, well, people buy from crap products because the product may be good. The thing was never the product is crap, because, if you want the product, you want the product. The thing was always, look how shitty this listing is. And this listing makes $1,000 a day. A shitty listing like that. Imagine what you could do with a great listing. Imagine what you could do with a great list. Like their Amazon images, it's 6 images, exactly the same. Every single image the same. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world, and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs, certainly here in Australia. Sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, a couple of different ways of doing that. Of course, you should absolutely subscribe to this channel, post brand new money making information each and every day, but you should also get yourself off to www.AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google that, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and then you'll find us that way too. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. But remember to subscribe, and if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, bye.